How to fix unable to verify update on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix unable to verify update on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Imagine you are excited to update your Android device, but then you hit a roadblock, unable to verify update. Frustrating, right? Don't worry, here's a quick guide to get you past this pesky issue and back on track to updating your phone seamlessly. The first step is to check internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause verification issues. Simply, you need to switch to a stronger Wi-Fi connection, or if your Wi-Fi is not working well, you can switch to mobile data and retry the update. Once you follow the step, the second step you need to follow is simply restart your device. Simply, a restart can clear out any temporary issues that might be preventing the update. Hold on the power button on your device. Then you need to slide towards restart and select restart, and then try the update again after rebooting. If your issue has been fixed, then you don't need to follow the other step. But if your issue isn't still resolved, then you need to check for system update issue. Wait for hours and try again, as it could be a temporary server issues on Google's end. By following all the steps, you can troubleshoot and fix the unable to verify update issue on your Android device. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more updates.